In the age of artificial intelligence, wars aren't fought by soldiers alone, they're shaped by algorithm. In war, this technology leaves mansion gates for battlefields, guarding borders, bases, and skies with drone swarms. Autonomous vehicles scout ahead, mapping terrain and detecting threats where humans can't go. Above, machine vision tracks heat, movement, and behavior, spotting enemies before humans notice. Together, these systems don't just fight wars, they predict them. Technology becomes the strategist. Beyond the battlefield, AI predicts needs before they arise. It analyzes terrain, weather, and intel to plan supply routes and position resources with precision. Fuel, ammo, and aid arrive exactly where and when they're needed. On the front line, prediction becomes protection. A medic gets an AI alert, enemy movement, rising tensions, expected casualties. Supplies are ready before the first shot. Readiness replaces chaos. And beneath the power, a reminder. AI can save time, lives, and resources, but only with accurate data, ethical code, and human oversight. Artificial intelligence doesn't just detect enemies. It can recognize who is not a threat. Using facial, date, and heartbeat data, it identifies civilians amid chaos. In humanitarian zones, it guides aid convoys safely through conflict, ensuring help reaches real people. But this power comes at a cost. The same tools that protect civilians can become instruments of surveillance. When entire populations are scanned and tracked, where's the line between safety and control? We've already seen it in civilian life. Facial recognition securing luxury homes and smart estates. If the rich use it for privacy, what happens when armies use it for power? And the moral question remains, when AI predicts threats and flags suspicious behavior, is it protecting lives or violating freedom? Predictive policing may stop attacks or condemn the innocent. So does AI make war more humane or more controlled? Artificial intelligence doesn't just fight on land, sea, or air. It now fights in the mind. Generative models create perfect fakes, voices, videos, and commands that feel real. A false surrender, a forged declaration, an order from a cloned voice, all believable. But AI is also the shield against itself. Detection systems read pixel noise, eye reflections, and speech patterns to expose deception. The same code that forges reality can also defend it, if used responsibly. This is the new battlefield, perception. Controlling the story now rivals controlling the front line. One fake video can break morale or ignite war before a shot is fired. And the question remains, when truth becomes algorithmic, who writes the code? AI is neither hero nor villain, only a tool shaped by its user. It can save lives through precision or take them through automation. It predicts, plans, and protects, but it can also control, surveil, and kill. Wars may soon be fought not by generals, but by algorithms chasing efficiency over empathy. That's why ethics matter. Transparency, human oversight, and accountability keep the machine human. The question remains, will AI make war more humane or erase what's human in it? The choice is ours.